Welcome to Interpreting Graphs and Tables. I'm Raquel.
I'm Emmanuel.
We're first going to start off with graphs.
Alright, so here's how you interpret a graph. So here we have a graph from 2 different months where both had rainfall. So the question is, which month had the greatest increase of rainfall? You're going to look for the one that is taller. So first you're going to notice week 4 right here. You might think, yes, that might be the right answer, but it really isn't, because July, which is group 1, has an increase more than August, which is group 2. So the correct answer in the graph would be week 1, because August, group 2, had a greater increase than July, group 1. So the correct answer would be week 1.
Okay, moving on to tables. You want to find out the average study time. And by figuring that out, you would add up all these numbers and you would get 32.5. And you want to know the average time, so you would divide all these students. So like there's 10, so you would divide 32.5 by 10, that equaling 3.25, and then 3.25 hours is the average study time.
The end, guys.
Thank you for watching.